Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart in Valdosta, Georgia at St. John Catholic Church. And it's part of day one of day two of two junior high youth conferences here in the Diocese of Savannah. And it was a beautiful time. I got to speak to the middle schoolers, the parents, the adults, the volunteers. And the whole focus, like you see behind me, was called to be saints. That was the overarching theme. But among that was part one being the need for human kindness, that we're able to show this love to everybody that we meet, right? This unconditional love that Christ shows us and he himself embodied. And we strive to be like that, right? That we are the church militant here on earth, part of the people that are fighting the battle against the devil and the world and the flesh, but along with the church suffering in purgatory and the church triumphant in heaven, all together we are that communion of saints in that unity. And we are trying, as we're called to be saints, not only be saints ourselves, but be able to reach the church triumphant in heaven and bring others with us, right, to help them get there as well. And we do that by how we choose to live. So hopefully it's to see our own power, our own worth, our own value. So a big thing that I hit on, as always, is the M on all of our palms, right? The M for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that all of us have this innate divine being inside of and presence in each one of us, and to know that we are true miracles, right? And like it says in Isaiah 49, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. That's the proof, right? That's the proof. And once we believe that, now it's our job to go help others see that and believe it in themselves too, to be the light to their heart if we choose to do that. So through all the videos I shared and the spoken word pieces, the stories, I really tried to hammer that concept home that yes, we truly have this need for human kindness and love all across this planet, and we can make the choice to be like saints, to rise above the hate, to really show that love that Christ is calling each one of us to really take on in our lives. Peace has to start in our heart, begins with each one of us, the Prince of Peace, to try to be like him who was our perfect example of perfect love, right? And then the part two is once we make that choice, that no matter what we go through or are going through or will go through, when times get hard, that we don't give up, right? The opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting, giving up. Like the shirt that I wore for that second part of the talk, keep your head up, it's upside down on purpose. So we always remember to think positive no matter what. If we're looking down or feeling down, it's a reminder that we can always think more positive, that ultimately we have the effort, God has the outcome, we can love, but only he can change. And so once we start to, see that all we're responsible for is our effort, then things kind of start to come a little bit easier because we know that all we have to do is be ourselves, right? All we have to do is really fight the good fight and, every day keep doing what we can and always ask ourselves, what more can we be giving, right? Because there's so many people that are less fortunate than us, but to know that we can do everything in our power and then we never have to go it alone. Right? Even our Savior needed help carrying his cross. So what it says about us is that we need others. We need him, and we have to love ourselves first and foremost, and now choose to go and spread that love into this world, to never give up, no matter what we're going to go through, and keep striving every day to reach the church triumphant, to reach heaven, to bring others to his kingdom as well, and to become like saints. We're all called to that same sainthood, right? Again, thanks for touching my heart. Hope to be back again one day to share my heart with you. Until next time, though, make sure you always hit the notification bell to get updates on future videos like this one. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, too, to know more about my journey across this country. Check out the website that you'll see as well, Mr. Peace, to learn more about what we're trying to do to spread kindness across this nation. And finally, check out the amazing clips in this playlist here, too. Much love. Peace.